What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Starting off today, just looking at some questions. So these two kind of piqued my eye. Is the market crashing again? And what do you think about CME futures exiting today? Will they affect the market? Well, let's come over to coin market cap here and just take a look. We do see a lot of red today. Bitcoin was over 11,000 yesterday, and everything was up a little bit higher. We don't see it crashing too much. I mean, the most we see down looks like NEM here, or Ripple's down more like 9%, but we have seen that the market did crash a little bit. I did talk about that in yesterday's video, how I thought that these futures contracts ending would affect the market, and we definitely do see red in the markets today, but it doesn't look like anything too crazy, so I'm really thankful that the price has been holding steady. I think that has a lot to do with us, the crypto community, really taking charge and holding the coins. We do see that it dipped down, but there was some great resistance on all of these, not dropping below these other lows right here. We did come down. We didn't break through any of our downtrend resistances, especially with Bitcoin here. And we do see it coming up, and it could be headed back down, or it could be setting up a little bit for a bullish flag, symbolizing it going back up. But the way these are actually looking, it looks like it might drop down a little bit. So we'll see if we have a double bottom here, like we did here, where we had it hit bottom twice and then perk back up after that. So we could see that. We are seeing a higher low than we saw last time. So hopefully we kind of double bottom our way out of this bearish market trend and head into more of a bull market. So that's really exciting to see. We do see the market cap staying above $500 billion. $500 billion is nothing to laugh at. We were higher, closer to the 700 billion, almost 800 billion at one point when the market was booming. Now we're definitely down a little bit, around 300 billion down, but that's okay. We're going to continue to see this boom here in 2018. I think January is just a rough month in general for cryptocurrency. If we look back to last year, January 2017, we definitely see a very similar trend with how Bitcoin reacted in January. In the past, it has never been a great month for cryptocurrency, so I'm thinking we're going to see some breakouts and some blue sky breakouts here going into February. That's my hope. I think a lot of these altcoins will begin to break out again. I have big hopes for Litecoin, for EOS, position 7 and 8 here. I think these definitely could come up to the 5 and 6 positions, coming worth more than Cardano. I really have high hopes for Litecoin, hopefully seeing that come all the way up to the number 3 position. Obviously, that would take about $30 billion invested into the Litecoin market to do it, but I think that Litecoin is a great product and that Charlie Lee has done a great job with the Litecoin company. So I'm definitely excited about that, as well as EOS possibly being around $50 a coin. I think that could easily happen. So stay tuned for the markets going back up, guys. Now let's head on over to Steemit. Steemit is what I want to talk about today. Very, very cool site. Kind of the new crypto social media, crypto Twitter in a way, or crypto blog posts. So basically an overview of the dashboard page here. I have my channel here. There's a night toggle mode. That's actually kind of cool. Let's keep it on night toggle. Hey, you learn something new in videos. Changing the password, of course, settings, and a logout button. Over here we see a lot of different help platforms, FAQ, welcome page, explore page. We'll take a look at those in a little bit. I just want to explore the dashboard here. So here we see my feed, just some of the people I'm currently following. I just got my Steam account approved a couple days ago, made my first blog post, so it's actually really cool. So for those of you who don't know, let's just go ahead and read a definition of what Steem is. So what is Steemit.com? Steemit is a social network and content rewards platform that makes the crowd the beneficiaries of the attention economy. It does this by rewarding users with Steem. Steemit has redefined social media by building a living, breathing, and growing social economy, a community where users are getting rewarded for sharing their voice. So that's just a little overview of what Steem is. Let's see how Steemit works. Steemit is a social media platform that works by having the crowd reward the crowd for their content. It does this thanks to the Steem blockchain and cryptocurrency. Steem is minted daily and distributed to content producers according to the votes they get. So it kind of works like a point system. If we look here, we see these numerical values or dollar values underneath different posts. And if we actually look at posts, we see, okay, this post here is a blog post. We come down to the comment section down here, and we see people commenting commenting on it. And when people like or upvote the post, we see that that post is earning money. So let's say I upvote this post. We see $4.39, and now we see $4.40. So I upvoted the post and increased its value. Now, it didn't cost me any money. Upvoting is completely free. But in addition to that, as a content maker, I can look at those who comment on my videos and upvote the comments that I see. So just looking now, a lot of comments don't get upvotes, but now we see, you know, hey, this guy is very thankful. It was a positive comment. I'm going to give him an upvote. And boom, just like that, he's made now 1 cent and his comment appears higher in the feed. So that's just a little demonstration of how Steemit works. Let's go back to the fact page and see, does it cost anything to post, comment, or vote? No, it's free to post, free to comment, and free to vote on content on Steemit.com. You might even get paid for it. That's right, if you're very engaging with your comments or post great content, even in your comments, on other people's feeds, if other people that are following that feed like your comment, they can upvote it and you can actually earn Steem tokens by doing that. Can I earn digital tokens on Steemit? How? By posting. If you share your post, you can earn upvotes from community members. Depending on the upvotes you receive, you will get a portion of the ongoing Steem reward pool. Voting and curating and purchasing, of course, Steem tokens or Steem dollar tokens directly. Where do the tokens come from? The Steem network continually creates digital tokens to reward content creators and curators. Some of the newly created tokens are transferred to users who add value to Steemit by posting, commenting, and voting on other people's posts. The remainder is distributed to holders of Steem power and witnesses that power the blockchain. So let's actually head over to my Steem account here. Now that we have a general overview, and let's actually head to my wallet to see what's going on there. So here we see CryptoRuff. I have 7 followers, 4 posts, and I'm following 4 people, so it's still very new to it. Here in the wallet, we see that we can buy Steem or Steem power. So what is the difference? Steem are the tradable tokens that may be transferred anywhere at any time. Steem can be converted to Steem power in a process called powering up. So every time you're upvoting something or you're getting upvotes, you're earning Steem. As you have your payouts from the post that happen about every week, you will see your Steem wallet grow in certain amounts. And currently, Steem is worth $6.02. It's currently spot number 25 on CoinMarketCap.com with a total market cap of around $1.5 billion. So it's currently down a little bit. We're usually seeing it right about around 1.5. So it has definitely a lot of potential to increase in rank here very quickly. A lot of it's being exchanged, and it has a very useful platform where people can use it in a fun way. So anytime you see a cryptocurrency in the top 100 here that has a use, like a website where people are using it daily to upvote and reward creators for content, it's definitely going to be a cryptocurrency that's going far. So I'm really excited about Steem, and we definitely see that there's been a huge spike in the interest here in the last few days. So back over to my wallet, we now see that's what the Steem token is. Now, when you get your Steem tokens here, there's a down arrow that you can click, and you can either transfer it to savings, and you see your savings account right here. So you would keep your Steem and savings, and the Steem dollars can actually collect something called APR, which is like an annual percentage rate. And what that does is if you hold your Steem dollars in the savings account, they can actually earn interest for holding them. Kind of similar to staking. So that's really cool to see when we back down here. So that is what it's like to transfer to your savings, or you can power up your Steem into Steem power. So what is Steem power? They are influence tokens which give you more control over post payouts and allow you to earn on curation rewards. Part of CryptoRuff Steem power is currently delegated. Delegation is donated for influence or to help new users perform actions on Steemit. Your delegation amount can fluctuate. Currently here in Steem power, I have 0.5 Steem in there, and then I see a plus 14.512, and that basically gives me influence. So as I upvote things, my upvotes could be worth more and further influence a post, or maybe I upvote someone and their post gets seen more often. So users that have a big following and a lot of influence, if they like something and upvote something and they're holding a lot of Steem power, they potentially have the power to help posts gain a lot of influence. So it's really great to start interacting with bigger Steem channels and Steem blogs to help generate interest for them, and then if they reply on your stuff, it definitely generates a lot of interest for you. So that's just a little bit of an overview on that. So do I currently have posts? I do have posts. I have my first post here called Bright Future Ahead, and there's a bright future ahead starting my Steemit journey. So just showing you guys my first post here where there. There have been some comments, and I've upvoted some comments that are underneath me here, and I've also gotten some upvotes in return. So it's a great fun way for you guys to get active in social media network, a great community. There are a lot of trending posts. If we go back over here, we can see that there's posts here on the side, tags, where if you have an interest in photography, for example, there are all different articles and blog posts about photography. And it creates a system where people who are blog writers, who are only getting traffic from people searching for things on Google, now have another way to get their content seen. And if it's popular and well-made content, they're getting upvotes, so their stuff is being seen, and they're actually able to earn money for their blogs in the form of Steem, which can be sold for US dollars or held until the coin goes back up. So just encouraging you guys to check out Steem. I really like it. As a fun little challenge, go ahead and come to my Steem page, search CryptoRuff on Steem, find my page, give me a follow if you'd like, and leave a comment under my first post here, and I will upvote your comments to get you guys started on earning your first amount of cryptocurrency on Steem. So that's just a fun little challenge, and may start doing giveaways kind of through the form of upvotes. So that way a lot more than just one person are earning little bits of cryptocurrency every single day. So definitely check out Steem, guys. There's no referral program or anything like that on Steem. All you have to do is go to steemit.com and click the sign up button, signing up for your own account. All you need, I believe, is a phone number and email address to do that. Once you get your email and phone number verified, you get put on a waiting list, and within a few days your Steem account will be activated. You guys will be able to get involved in Steem, farther growing this cryptocurrency and having fun, reading blogs, and just hopefully earning money yourselves by being active and commenting on other people's blog posts. So definitely check it out. It's fun, it's informative, especially if you like to read. I love reading articles in my downtime. So this creates a lot of great articles based on different tags. So I'm really into music as a musician, and I love coming and Taming the Beast. You know, this guy's sharing his music and he's getting paid to do so. So if you guys are musicians or writers or anything, definitely go get active on Steem, share your blog, and just grow, as now you have access to such a great cryptocurrency powered blog that allows you to earn money through the form of cryptocurrency. So how cool is that for all you blog writers and artists and videographers and musicians out there who can come and share your artwork, can share your thoughts, and possibly get paid for it through cryptocurrency. So it's just another sign that cryptocurrency is booming, that there are more and more applications coming every single day, making it more valuable for us. So guys, check out Steem. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question down below that I will look for and hopefully answer in tomorrow's video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow.